Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country style cottage home decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Country style cottage home decor is a warm, cozy and nostalgic decorating style that combines the charm of rural living with the comfort and simplicity of cottage life. It's all about creating a welcoming, lived-in atmosphere that feels both timeless and peaceful, like stepping into a cozy countryside retreat. Here are some lovely and practical tips for creating a country-style cottage home decor, perfect for giving your home that cozy, rustic, and heartwarming charm. Add floral and gingham patterns. Use floral prints, gingham or checks on cushions, curtains, and tablecloths. Keep the colors soft, rose pink, chess green, baby blue, or cream to create a gentle country feel. Choose natural materials. Bring in wood, wicker, rattan, and stone to make your space feel organic and authentic. Oven baskets and wooden trays are both beautiful and useful for storage. Create cozy lighting. Use warm white lights, candles, and small lamps to create a soft glow in the evenings. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Go for lanterns or fairy lights for a romantic touch. Add greenery and flowers. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers, potted plants, or even herbs in ceramic pots. Place small buckets in vintage vases, jugs, or mason jars for a country garden look. Use light, airy fabrics, hang lace or cotton curtains to let in natural light, keeping things soft and dreamy. Light fabrics make rooms feel open and bright. Layers of textures. Mix quilts, knitted rows, and embroidered cushions for warmth and charm. Layering adds that lived-in feeling that makes country cottages so welcoming. Display personal treasures. Show off family heirlooms, antique finds, or handmade crafts. These details tell your home's story and make it feel full of character. Keep it comfortable, not perfect. Embrace small imperfections, chipped paint, worn wood, mismatched crockery. These flaws are what give your home soul and authenticity. Decorate with everyday items. In country cottages, beauty comes from simplicity. Display daily use items like animal pictures, old teapots, and wooden spoons on open shelves. They add warmth and tell a story of daily life. Add handmade touches. Incorporate handcrafted decor, crochet doilies, embroidered pillow covers, or knitted drawers. Handmade items bring love and personality into the space. Choose vintage or repurposed furniture. Hunt for treasures at flea markets or antique shops. A slightly worn chair, an old trunk as a coffee table, or a weathered dresser can become a cozy focal point. Create garden corners indoors. Place small potted herbs on the kitchen windowsill, basil, rosemary, or mint. Add terracotta pots, watering cans, and wicker baskets for that sweet garden cottage charm. Decorate with candles and lanterns. Use iron lanterns, messenger candles, or candle stands to add soft light. The gentle flicker of candlelight creates that peaceful evening cottage mood. Embrace open shelving. Replace closed cabinets with open wooden shelves in the kitchen or living room. Display stacked dishes, glass jars or dried goods, or vintage bowls for a cozy and lived-in feel. Use weathered wood accents. Add wooden beams, plastic frames, or reclaimed wood shelves. This adds texture and connects your space to nature, which is at the heart of the country living. Create a tea time corner. Set up a small tea or coffee nook with a tray, pretty mugs or teapot, and a small vase of flowers. It's a lovely, welcoming touch that feels perfectly cottage-like. Keep the space scented and inviting. Use lavender sachets, cinnamon sticks, or scented candles in linen drawers or corners. Display books and open baskets. Stack vintage books on shelves or side tables, and use open baskets for cozy throws and magazines. They create texture and visual comfort. Bring the outdoors in. Decorate with wildflowers, dried lavender, eucalyptus, or ivy in simple glass bottles or old jugs. Seasonal flowers like daisies in summer or pine greenery in winter keep your cottage alive through the year. Layer vintage linens. Use embroidered tablecloths, lace runners, or patchwork quilts. Layering soft fabrics and warmth and a sense of homely comfort. Add soft, romantic details. Think ruffled pillowcases, floral wall art, and delicate lace trims. These feminine touches make your space feel sweet, nostalgic, and comforting. Add crochet or knitted accents. Handmade items items like crochet pillow covers, lace curtains, or knitted drawers add soul to your space. Display farmhouse kitchen charm. In the kitchen, showcase ceramic bowls, enamel mugs, and wooden spoons. Keep them visible. Open shelves and hanging hooks make everything feel friendly and homey. Use softly owned furniture. Don't be afraid of furniture that shows its age. Faded paint, worn handles, and scrapped wood add soul. Try painting old pages in chalky pastel colors and lightly sanding the edges for that time-worn charm. Decorate with nature's gift. Collect pine cones, pebbles, seashells, or dried wildflowers and display them in glass jars or trays. Create a country kitchen feel. Keep essentials visible. Hang copper pots, store flour in ceramic jars, and place fresh bread in a basket. Use linen or cotton dish towels with small floral or checkered prints. Add a touch of nostalgia. Hang vintage clocks, old keys, or framed handwritten letters. These nostalgic details tell quiet stories and make your space feel rich with memory. Choose stories with charm. Use open baskets, wooden plates, or vintage trunks for stories instead of plastic pins. Add a pop of cottage blue. Classic cottage homes often feature touches of soft blue on cabinets, drawers, or decor items. Mix patterns softly. Combine floral, stripe, and check patterns in similar color tones for balance. Keep it soft and harmonious. Think of old English cottages where everything blends naturally. Thanks for watching the video.